there, it's Ashley from WTI, and this is Dove's Men+Care bar soap. As you can see here, it's orange, and this is a 3-in-1, so it's for your hands, your body, and it also triples as a shave bar, which is really nice. As you can imagine, it lathers up super well. It's also very moisturizing. A quarter of this bar soap is actually moisturizer. It smells really good, and another thing that I like about this soap bar is that it is antibacterial. So it is going to remove 99% of bacteria from the skin. And I also like that Dove is a cruelty-free product. So you feel good about buying this when you know it's not tested on animals, and it's good for you, and you can use it on multiple parts of your body. That's super nice. I would highly recommend this. It smells really good, and it is incredibly moisturizing, but that's just my point of view.